Hey everybody, Dude here, and today I would like to share with you some really cool news, and it's all because of you. So first of all, tell me what you think about the intro and the music. I bet you didn't know, but I play bass guitar, and I also write some music, not a lot, but here and there. And on this particular ditty I wrote, and I played the bass track on it, and my buddy Nate played guitar and mixed it. A lot of fun. So anyhow, tell me what you think about it. So the really cool news that I want to share with you is just last week we passed 200 subscribers and 3,000 views, and it's all because of you achievers out there. I want to thank you. A big humble thank you to all of you for that. We couldn't do it without you. We honestly could not do it without you. Steve, the camera guy, and I are truly humble. So thank you very much. Wanted to share with you too some information. Just kind of a little tidbit. Steve and I went on a little vacation to Alaska. We happened to be out of cell range while we were up there, and that's when we actually crossed the 200 subscriber mark. If you ever get a chance to just go to your happy place, no cell phone coverage, I highly recommend you do it, because at the end of the day, it does a mind and body and soul good. So anyhow, as you can see, we're transitioning into our winter establishment, and unfortunately here in Boise, Idaho, it does get kind of cold in the winter, so we probably won't be doing too much out there, although I know Mrs. Dude does want to do an episode in the snow. Okay, we'll do that. But anyhow, we're working on the inside, trying to get this aesthetics down on it. So anyhow, once again, 200 subscribers and 3,000 views. You guys are the best. You guys are achievers. Very humbled. We're very thankful for it. Thank you everybody for the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the everything. We just want to thank you guys. So anyhow, we'll talk to you soon. The best is yet to come. And please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you soon. And remember, the dude abides, all because of you.